Okay, the last command I want to talk about is the man command. The man command. Man, just like this. So we say man followed by the command. Now, what does man do? Man opens the manual page for any Linux command. So if you have a command in Linux you want to know more about that command, you want to learn about it, you can just use man like this, and then followed by that command, and then man will tell you what that command does. For instance, man ls, so it means that we want to know what ls does. So we go ahead and say that ls list directory content. So list information about the files, the current directory by default, and now sort entry alphabetically. Yeah, and these are different flags that you can give to the ls command. -a for all, you can also say -- all, and then you have the same thing.